is at the front door.
What up? It's Will Vitela, home technology expert. Come on in and check out this home technology expert project that I did in Anaheim, California. This is a professionally installed modern smart home system. 77-inch 4K Sony OLED TV with Sonos Arc Dolby Atmos soundbar speaker. This thing has 11 speakers inside of it. Oh baby. Connected with this is a Sonos premium bass subwoofer and an Apple TV 4K to handle all your streaming services from YouTube TV to Netflix to Prime Video to Disney Plus. But you can't stop there. What if you want to listen to music out in the patio or in the living room or in the bedrooms? You can use a Sonos wireless portable speaker with voice control built in to listen to Apple Music or Spotify around the house. Inside of this primary bedroom, I have another 65-inch 4K TV with, of course, hidden wiring. But what about having cameras and a professional 911 monitoring alarm system? Not a problem. I do that also. Here in the backyard, you could see overlooking at the pool, I hardwired a Pro model Ring outdoor floodlight camera. Now, this is the good model that I connected with the Alexa show display in the kitchen so you could see the cameras anytime you want.
Alexa, show me pool camera.
Okay.
So awesome. On that kitchen display, they could see the camera not only from the pool, but also this other camera that I installed over the garage door looking over the driveway. And of course, you could always see it on your iPhone. Here you could see a hardwired Ring video doorbell, the Pro version again, that I installed by the front door, along with a Yale smart lock. Now this smart lock, it's a lot more modern, and you could use a PIN code in order to be able to unlock it, to be able to give it to different family members or people coming over. Or of course, you could open it from your iPhone even though you're not even home. You could be at the grocery store and unlock the front door. Here inside of the hallway, you can see the keypad on the wall. This is for the Ring alarm system for the 911 professional monitoring. Right next to it, I installed the best smart thermostat you can possibly get, which is the ecobee Premium Smart Thermostat. Beautiful graphics, large display, and it just works with everything. With whether you want to give a voice command to turn on the air conditioning or be able to control it from your iPhone, it just works flawlessly. Really, really nice and simple. Here you can see motion sensors for the alarm system, where you just have it around the house, as well as window and door contact sensors. So this is a complete alarm system so that it'll cover you for smoke, for fire, carbon monoxide, as well as intrusion. All this 4K TVs and audio and Ring cameras and alarm, it's great, but it's not going to be excellent unless you have a hardwired Wi-Fi system inside of the house. I replaced the coax cable going over to the modem for this particular house and freshened it up. And I also, inside of the office, created a centralized hub area where I put everything inside of it, from the Ring alarm system hub to the Spectrum modem to putting in an eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh system. This is the mesh router inside of the closet, as well as I hardwired different internet jacks in all around the house. Here underneath the desk, you can see the hardwired internet jack. I have Cat6 cabling all around the house. But what I do is I utilize that hard wiring Cat6 and connect eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh access points throughout the house so they could have hardwired Wi-Fi internet all over the place. If you want to get something professionally done like this for your home, go to HomeTechExpert.com and click on Schedule a Free Estimate.